If you're a 3D artist, a student, or a professional in the CG industry, you probably woke up to some shocking news recently. One of the most beloved, curated, and high-quality marketplaces in our community, FlippedNormals, is closing its doors. Well, at least the marketplace part of it.
For years, FlippedNormals has been more than just a store. It was a gold standard, a place where you knew that if a product was listed, it was actually good. But on March 31st, that era ends. Today, we're diving into why this is happening, what it means for the future of the 3D industry, and how you can protect your library before it's gone forever. So, why would a successful platform with 3,500 creators and nearly 500,000 customers just stop? Henning and Morten, the founders, were very transparent. They called it a difficult financial reality. Over the last few years, the cost of hosting massive 3D files and managing the machinery of a global marketplace has skyrocketed. We're talking about servers, VAT compliance, creator payouts, and accounting for over 500,000 orders. But there's a deeper story here. The internet is changing. Between the rise of AI bots scraping data, which drives up server costs like a constant DDoS attack, and the sheer volume of content, the curated marketplace model is under heavy fire.
The founders even took massive salary cuts to keep it afloat, but it wasn't enough. Starting April 1st, FlippedNormals will pivot to a boutique model, focusing only on their own exclusives and flipboxes. The open marketplace where independent creators sell their work, that's the part that's vanishing.
Before we talk about what we can do, you must know these dates. March 31st, the last day to buy anything from the marketplace. April 15th, final payouts for all creators. April 30th, the absolute deadline. After this, file hosting ends. If you haven't downloaded your purchases to a local drive by then, they are gone, period. Because of this closure, many creators are hosting massive final sales. And this brings me to something very special for those of you who want to master Blender before the marketplace shuts down. I have my Ultimate Blender bundle available. This isn't just one course, it's 9 comprehensive courses gathered into one package for a very symbolic low price. We are talking about Blender from ground up, the perfect foundation, full interior scene creation, mastering lighting and photorealism, Jeep Gladiator Rubicon, high-end automotive modeling from A to Z, Rolls-Royce Spectre, sculpting elegant, flawless surfaces, Dune Ornithopter, a cinematic production-level challenge, Tesla Cybertruck, futuristic modeling and rigging, Jeep Willys MB, vintage military precision, realistic Canon, efficient production workflows, and AI-powered interior design in Blender 5. Most people waste years jumping between random YouTube videos. This bundle is the shortcut. It's 15 years of my experience packed into a step-by-step system. But here's the catch. Once the marketplace closes on March 31st, this specific bundle at this price will no longer be available on this platform. If you want to own this library for life, you need to grab it now and download it before April 30th. Now, beyond the sales, there is a bigger issue. FlippedNormals is a pillar of our community. Seeing it scale back like this feels like a loss for every digital artist. I want to ask you all a favor. Let's make some noise. Reach out to Henning and Morten respectfully. Leave a comment on their YouTube, tag them on X, Twitter, or send a polite email. Tell them how much the marketplace means to you. Ask them if there is any other way. A subscription model, a higher fee, a pro tier, anything to keep the marketplace alive. We don't want to lose this platform. Let's show them that the community is willing to support a safe, AI-free space for artists. The clock is ticking.
Go to the link in the description to check out my next level Blender bundle while it's still live on FlippedNormals. Support your favorite creators during this closing sale, and most importantly, download your library before April 30th. Let's hope this isn't a final goodbye to the marketplace, but a see you later. Until next time, keep creating.